In this video, we will learn how BERT uses transformer power to analyze sentiment and text effectively. But can a computer really grasp the subtle emotions we express in language and text?
Sentiment analysis lets businesses understand what customers think based on online reviews and social media.
By analyzing feedback and trends, businesses gain valuable insights to improve their products and services. But sentiment can be tricky. Take this phrase, "This phone is surprisingly okay." What does it really mean? Let's feed this sentence into a pre-trained BERT model and see what it makes of it.
The model gives it a score of 0.6, meaning it sees the sentiment as slightly positive. This shows how transformers can effectively understand emotions, even in tricky sentences. Let's look at another example, how BERT analyzes real product reviews. Seeing the model's attention highlights helps us understand why it assigns a certain sentiment. Transformers have changed language understanding by letting models focus on what's truly relevant. Sentiment analysis helps improve customer experiences by pinpointing areas that need attention. So, BERT empowers sentiment analysis, helping us understand customer emotions and improve their experiences.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.